Hi everyone, this is Mario Quintero with the One Stop Shop, produced by marioshomenews.com. Today we have one of our referral partners, Matt Shiebler, who's a CPA, and he's going to talk to us about the various services that he offers his clients. Hi Matt, how you doing?
I'm doing good, Mario. How are you?
Very good, very good. So we're going to explain to the people that are going to be watching some of your services, and you do have a list of
There's
a lot of
litany
services. There's a lot of stuff there. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your standard bookkeeping services?
Sure. For our standard bookkeeping services, we connect our clients with QuickBooks Online. We connect their bank accounts to the QuickBooks Online and perform an after-the-fact bookkeeping service. With that bookkeeping service, our clients get a monthly profit and loss and a monthly balance sheet.
Yeah.
It's all their bank accounts and credit cards are reconciled every month and reviewed by our accounting manager team.
So do you actually, your office inputs everything or the client inputs into QuickBooks?
We actually input everything, but with the technology now that QuickBooks Online has, a lot of the banking and credit card transactions are automatically sucked in
Okay.
into the general ledger program, and then we are classifying those transactions.
But for somebody like me, who's not high tech, who just likes to be able to submit the bank registry
Right.
with all the invoices for the month, you do provide that service.
We do. It costs a little bit more for that
Okay.
type of service nowadays, but once we get clients comfortable with the newer technology, they're usually quick to take it on and embrace it.
Okay. All right. Let's talk about payroll services. That's a big
Payroll,
one.
that's a
A
big
lot of
one.
people try to do it on their own, then they mess it up, then they get in trouble with the state. So, what do you do with the payroll services?
For our payroll services, we partner with ADP. So we are a partner with the largest payroll provider in the United States, and we use their technology to process all of our clients' payroll. It gives everybody the option to have direct deposit, to have a portal online for their clients, or not their clients, their employees, to get a pay stub and their W-2s. And then partnering with ADP, you can actually add on other services if they need it, like human resources or 401ks, and it all integrates seamlessly with their platform.
Do they also, or through you and ADP, do they offer like workers' comp insurance that ties into the payroll?
That's a great question, Mario. They do, and they offer a pay-as-you-go program, so you're not just writing one big check up front
Right.
with an estimate. You're
Right.
actually making weekly or monthly payments, depending on your payroll cycle, in line with your actual cost.
Okay, good. So tell us a little bit about the services that you provide both personally and corporate regarding your accounting services.
Sure. Most of our clients are corporate accounts. They are entrepreneurs just like you and I. They have their own business, and we incorporate their business accounting with their personal accounting. Because if you're like me, the reason you're working is for your family. You know, so we take that corporate work that we're all doing and try to push down or push up, depending on how you look at it, as many business and personal deductions as possible, so that at the end of the day, your personal life and your corporate life begin to kind of intervene with each other a lot, in my opinion anyway. And then we can look at things before the end of the year and make sure that you have enough taxes paid in, so that when we're looking at the company, that's going to flow through to your personal return. It's all taken care of.
Got it, got it. So what's the best number to reach you as somebody that's seeing this program now wants to get in touch with you?
You can reach our office at 305-517-3977, or you can email me at matt@ia.tax.
Okay. And do you go out and visit clients, or do they all have to come to your office when you're going to start doing business with them?
Usually when we are bringing on a new client, we are meeting with them, and our office is licensed in multiple states. So last week I was in New Jersey and New York.
Okay.
And I was sitting down face to face with some customers up there. So once we have that initial sit down and set everything up, then it's usually more of a remote situation where we're talking over the phone or talking via email or sometimes even Skype.
What other states besides Florida and New Jersey are you licensed in?
I personally am licensed in Florida, New Jersey, and New York, and our firm has a good state and local tax base in the following states: California, North Carolina, South Carolina, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and of course New Jersey, New York, and Florida.
Well, that's great because we have people that are following us on social media in all of those states. So if anyone's listening, give Matt a call if you need some of his services. So I never heard this before, but I understand that you outsource being a CFO type of service for your clients?
That's correct. With one of the packages that we offer our clients, it includes what we call an outsourced CFO. And by that, we simply mean that we're talking with our clients on a monthly basis, reviewing financial statements, and digging deeper into some of their financial needs. Not so much accounting, but perhaps one of our customers might be thinking about, Matt, should I lease or buy an automobile? Or, if I have a fleet of trucks, Matt, is it better to buy these outright right now, or should we finance them? What's the return on my investment going to be? So in that sense, we provide an outsourced CFO role to help our clients make educated decisions when it comes to their business.
Got it. So outsourcing the entire accounting department, that's another service that you provide.
It is another service we provide, and this is something that is really happening a lot more often now. A lot of our small to medium-sized customers just can't afford to have an internal accounts payable person, an internal accounts receivable person, a controller. The cost of those people has skyrocketed. So what we do is, for small to medium-sized companies, we'll try to establish a accounts payable department within my office. Or if it's accounts receivable that they need, we'll also establish that as well. Sometimes we try to balance things out between each other. They might have enough internal resources and bandwidth to handle accounts receivable, and they like handling that. Mm-hmm. But when it comes time to paying the bills, the only thing they want to see is a report saying, this is what I owe, and this is what I need to pay.
Got it. So one of the last things that we want to talk about is, and nobody wants to get this letter, but an audit from the IRS or a state audit regarding, I guess, payroll and things of that nature. You represent clients firsthand dealing with the audits, correct?
We do. So for 20 years now, I've been representing clients before the IRS or before the state. And here in Florida, it's usually a sales tax matter. In other states, it might be an income tax matter or a payroll tax matter. In any event, we represent those clients. We have had some fairly good success, and then there's been some clients where there's not much you can do. Mm-hmm. But we try to be honest with people and transparent and give them our best opinion up front before they make a financial commitment to engaging our services with respect to those types of issues.
Got it. So Matt, if somebody wants to get in touch with you, what's the best number to reach you directly?
Again, if you want to reach me directly, I'll give you my cell phone. That's 914-263-9806, or my email, matt@ia.tax.
So folks, Matt Shiebler, the real deal when it comes to total package of CPA services, bookkeeping, audits, outsourcing, whatever you need. This is the guy. So give him a call if you need his services, and good luck to you. Thanks for stopping by, Matt.
I appreciate it.
And thank you for your referrals.